Before we wrap today, we want to go to something we refer to as our Whissel widget of the week. This is something we utilize in our business. It saves us time, makes us more money, or just helps us have more fun. What do you got for us, Bryan?
Ours is a new tool we use at our last client event, our friends and family event, where we can, one of the issues we would always have is we have our photographers there. We take pictures. Usually these events are on the weekends. We go home and come back on Monday, but we've got a couple shoots on Monday. So by the end of the week, we get them photos. Well, that's good and dandy for some photos, but for photos where it's just, hey, I'm at this event, I want to show it off right now, it was way too long of a turnaround time. So we said, how could we get this instantaneously? And we had a lot of ideas, and they were all bad until Kyle said he went to an event and they did this thing. I'm like, that doesn't exist. And we found it. And so what happens now is we take a picture with our camera, it gets sent to our phone and then uploads to the internet and then automatically goes into a gallery. What's really cool about this tool we use is it takes it one step further, because it's really easy. You take the picture and you can say, hey, go to this website or go to this QR code, and all the photos from the event are there. That's easy. What makes this tool even better is they have an extra level where it says, hey, scan this QR code, go to this website, take a picture of yourself. And from there, we're going to look at all the photos that we upload and send you a text immediately when we spot you using facial recognition and AI. And so right away, it can see, hey, you're in this photo with these people, you're in a photo here, you're in a photo at the bar, and it'll notify you every time you're in a photo. And this is called Spot My Photo. Is it photo or photos? Spot My Photos, spotmyphotos.com. You can pay for it yearly or monthly. There is a subscription cost, but it was pretty easy for us to set up, and it came across really cool. So now we're able to get photos out, especially for these events, thinking about networking events, agent attraction events, community events, photo booth stuff. Immediately can get uploaded right there. So Spot My Photos is my widget this week.
Cool. Mine is going to tie into what I was talking about earlier, is the ability to go in and look at the analytics from the videos that you've created to figure out what videos are doing well, which videos are doing poorly. So you can go into this particular app, you can check out how many views are you receiving, your watch time, your subscribers. You could look at the content and figure out how many new viewers do you have returning, your subscribers, your how many views on your short videos versus your long videos, like so much really cool analytics. They've also added a new feature that I didn't notice previously, but they will actually give you suggestions of videos to create now, which is really cool. So it will give you some recommendations of videos to create based on 3 factors. 1, recent audience activity. So it's showing what topics have been popular with an audience that looks like yours. Also, which searches have been completed by viewers similar to topics you've created, and what videos have been watched that we think will be good for your target audience. And that's called YouTube Studio. So it's really freaking cool. YouTube Studio app, like I'm in here and it's literally giving me this list. Like, check this out, Bryan. There's like, what is that? 10 topics right there telling us like what we should create videos about for this particular channel. So super, super cool. So it's just called YouTube Studio, and the new research feature on there is really, really powerful. So definitely check that out.
I like it.
Awesome, guys. Well, thank you again so much for tuning in. We hope you got a lot of value out of today's show. Again, I'm Kyle Whissel with eXp Realty in San Diego.
I'm Bryan Kochi.
We'll see you next week. Wait. Before you leave, I want to share some more tips and tricks that we're using in our business to take it to that next level. Just click right here. And don't forget to subscribe. Click right here.